Alright guys, so I just ordered these key fobs for a truck that I just purchased. It's a 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71. So we're going to see what it takes to get the key fobs connected to the door locks. Let's hope it works. Alright, with the key fobs comes this little card. It sends you to remotes.com and gives you some instructions once you get there on how to look up your own automobile. All right guys, we are here at remotes.com and we're going to type in the make and model and all that good stuff and see what we need here. The programming button on the website did not take me to a good page. So put your information in, hit search. It'll take you to a page where you can buy various accessories. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page and you'll find instructions on how to program your key fob for a classic body style or a new body style. And I'll include this at the end of the video. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold down the unlock side of the button on the door. Then we're going to turn the key on off twice, and then we're going to release the button on the door. Now, to turn the key on does not mean you start the motor, okay? It means you turn it to the on position and then turn it off. So let's do this. Hold that down. On, off, on, off, release. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to hold the unlock and lock buttons down for 15 seconds. Here's the other one. All right, so now we will turn the key on, turn it off, let us unlock, unlock, there you go, unlock. All right, and that's how we do it. Very easy. That's some good stuff.